Morning, folks. I've got the camera at this right angle, so yeah. So I hope you don't mind. Right, I'm going to wet this bit of Fabriano, £130 practice paper. It's very good paper when you get used to it, and it's much cheaper than the artist quality papers. Okay, and just give a sky, and a bit of landscape, a bit of waterscape down here. Right, a bit of raw sienna. That's sort of coming up a bit yellow, maybe because it's been in contact with the cadmium yellow light. It's the only artist quality tube of paint on the palette, which is, there we are. I sorry said that a bit fuzzy. Oh, Sharon, it's a bit fuzzy yesterday, probably because I must have moved myself in front of the camera for a while and it refocused, and it's sort of on automatic focus as far as I know. Right, let's get a nice bit of ultramarine. I'm going to put some of that in. Getting lighter as it comes down to the horizon here. We can put a nice bit of that in there where the water's going. Oh, we'll have a bit of light red in that now. Let me know how these skies are going to turn out. Okay, that will settle. I've always got a piece of cloth on the right hand side, so just to stroke my brush over it, take the excess moisture off. Right, now what we do now is just to re-clip it, put it tight. It's quite a tough paper. I like using this paper for oils and acrylics. That is on the demos that I don't really like. They don't all work out nicely. Right, I'm going to give this a bit of a dry, folks, so if you'd like to take your headphones off. Ready, go. Something's just fallen off my table. Oh, it's just I used. Oh, it's a brush on the floor. Yeah, it's just the cap of a beer. Because I brew my own beer. Now this is one of the caps, and they're very, very useful for making pellets. Oh, not pellets, some dips for your linseed and stuff. Right, okay, well, let's just get another little quick re-clip. That should do. Right, I'm going to put in a bit of a distance, so we'll have a bit of Payne's grey, a bit of blue. Okay. Alright, let's put in some thicker Payne's Grey and ultramarine. Very good mix. Just go on this the distance there. Gives a lovely distance. So I preserve some of the light areas. Okay. Okay, let's do something the other side. All right, let's put in some bit of that yellow, bit of burnt sienna. I haven't cleaned the brush. Put some down here. My neck's aching this morning. It's saw second go at the osteopath yesterday. It's better, a bit better. Got at least another session to go. That's be 3. Okay. Carry on with some of this over here. I like doing these, but this one will end up completely different to the ones I've already done. I'm just making this up as I go along, but based on past experience. Oh, that's a bit of green. So we've got some nice bright. Okay, I'm going to put some, I'm going to use a small hake now, and I'll just put in some trees here and there, just to sort of texture. You can use a card to lift out a bit of rock. Look. So rocky shore. Right, okay, well we've got plenty of texture on there, more than enough. Right, get the small hake, or the medium hake, and we'll put in some dark green. very, very light touch. And I think if people have struggle with the hakes, it's largely because they push them too hard. Now that's a very, very no, just touch, just a little touch. A bit of water. And they're real dark greens. Remember your brush, your hake has got two corners. Right, now we've got two the same. Now that's a mistake. So we'll let's have a big one. Don't repeat yourself like I've just done there. Right, so that's better. Now I can use a bit of that yellow just to go over it here and there. Right, that's one side. This green is quite strong. I'd rather use it as a yellow. I mean, as a green. Right, okay. Now we get some more of that lovely dark greeny colour, Payne's grey, burnt sienna, and that lovely. A little bit of water. Payne's grey. Payne's grey with that yellow is superb. Okay, a bit of shadow in there. Right, okay. Now, we'll put some more bluey green layer of trees in there, I think. Bluey green, so. A bit of blue in there. Call this texture, not detail, we don't say detail. It's texture. Right, let's get a bit of that sky reflected in here now. A bit more blue. Remove that. lighter than that. Okay, I'll give that a dry and then we'll see where we go. We've got to put some texture in this. Okay, re-click that. Right, let's just lift out some wind ruffle. Right, I need some texture now. In here, bit of dark, so we'll use that. Probably overdone this one. Right, well I don't really think I can do much more to that. I've got quite a bit of dark, a bit of reflection in leather. That'll dry a bit lighter. But the odd bird. Right, okay. No gouache, I'll put that in a frame, or in a mount, and I might prime a piece of this paper with some gesso. I can do maybe a knife painting. This is the just big enough hole there. Okay, right, let's give that a bit of a signature. I think it's just about worth it. Right, okay, well thanks for watching folks. I'll just alter the camera. There we are. So another one. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.